Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a pilgrim with a Native American. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start on the left side of the paper. We're gonna do the pilgrims first, and the first thing I'm gonna do is his face, and it's a letter U. After that, I'm gonna cross here on the top with a curved line that it goes outside of the letter U a little bit, here and here, okay? Now, I want to do the hat, and for that, I'm going to start with the ears because the hat is going to go under the ears to the other side, okay? So, I'm going to go from under this ear really slow, doing a oval shape, kind of, and I'm going to go to the other side. Perfect. Now, let's do the top part of the hat, and it's two diagonal lines. They goes to the top, and they are gonna cross on the top with a little bit of a curvy line. And then here in the center, I'm gonna do a square, and inside the square, I'm gonna do another one, a little tiny, just like this. Now let's do two lines that goes from this side on the left and to the right, just like that. And to finish here, I'm gonna do the hair. So let's do from the ear to the top, not quite touching the last line. And now I'm gonna do letter U's that goes together for the hair. Perfect. Now let's do eyes. I'm doing mine just two little dots. And the nose is a letter C, a backwards letter C, and a smile. And now let's continue with the neck, two little lines, and let's close this on the bottom with a curved line. And then let's go down, okay? So we're gonna go down. On the left side, we're gonna go down like this. And on the right side, I'm just gonna go down halfway, okay? Kind of like to here. So let's go down, and I stop right there, see? Just halfway. Here, I'm gonna do a line that goes down in the middle, and I'm stopped right here. It's like a diagonal line, you see? And here I'm going to do a square. So let's start with one line. I'm going down and close it. And this is going to be his belt. It's kind of like the same belt he's wearing on his hat. And now I'm going to do here the collar for his suit. It's very particular. And then here I'm going to do the belt, two little lines. Okay. And here you notice I'm leaving a space because I'm going to do a letter C. So let's do a letter C for the turkey he's holding. Now I'm doing another letter C here, a small one. Just like that. Okay. Now I want to close this. This is going to be the leg of the turkey. And here at the end, I'm going to put a number 3. Okay. Now let's do two lines. And now let's do the shape of a heart or another number 3. And now we can close this. We're gonna go down and up. And the last thing here, I'm gonna do the plate that is holding the turkey with an oval shape that goes around the turkey just like this. And to finish this, I'm gonna do the arm, just a line in behind. And the other side, let's do the same. It's gonna be a curved line that goes down and close to his body. Now here, I'm gonna do a triangle shape. Let's do here and here. And two lines, kind of like curved lines that go to each side, and we just close it there. Now I'm gonna do shorts for him, so the shorts are gonna be square shapes. They go under the last shape we did, and here I'm gonna do the legs are gonna be two little lines. We close them on the bottom. And then the shoes are easy. We're just gonna go like kind of like around and up. Just like that. The last detail is gonna be here. His hand is gonna be just half a circle or a curved line. And inside we're gonna do two little lines for fingers. And that's it. Now we can continue with the native. Okay, so we're gonna do the same. We're gonna do the face first. So I'm doing a letter U, okay? So let's do here a letter U that goes to the right. And I'm doing super slow with this, okay? Good job. And now let's close it on the top with a curved line. And this curved line also leaves a little bit of a space in each side. And now we're going up because we want to have a rectangle shape, okay? So let's close this, and this is the band that he's having on his head. And now I'm going to do the head on the top, just a curved line. And here I'm going to do a letter M for giving shape to his hair, just like that. And here I'm going to do also triangles on the band, just to give it the texture. Looks like that. And now here I'm going to do hair. So let's do 2 curved lines in each side under the band. And now from this point right here, I'm going to go down with a zigzag line to do his braid. So let's do this. Let's do a zigzag line. And now I'm going to do, from this point down, I'm going to start doing the braid. So we're just going to fill these spaces with curved lines. Okay, we're going to go down. And one more, and then here I want to put a square or like a rectangle shape for like an elastic that is holding on, and curved lines on the bottom. Let's do it again. Let's go down, and from this point I'm going to do the braid. Okay, so I'm going to go here, down here. Okay, zigzag line, and now let's fill these spaces with curved lines, 1 in each side. I'm going to put here the rectangle shape and the curved lines on the bottom. Good. Now let's do the face. I'm doing the exact same eyes that I'm doing for the pilgrims, just 2 little dots, backward C, and a letter U for the smile. Now here on the top, I'm going to do a feather. So I'm doing a curved line that goes up and now goes down. And inside I'm putting triangles, just for texture. Now let's continue here with the neck, 2 little lines. And from this point, I'm going to go down on the right side, okay, just about here. So let's go down just like this. And now from here, let's pretend that it's a line on the half. And I'm just going to do a horizontal line here to just go on the half. And from this point, I'm going to start doing the bowl that he's holding with food. Just a curved line like this. And now I want to do here one more line, kind of like the same line that the braid is. And here I'm going to leave in a space because here is going to be his fingers. So let's do a little line here, and inside I want to do his fingers. So let's do 1, 2, and 3. And now let's close them on this side with a curved line. Okay, so in the bowl we're going to put corn. So I'm just doing triangles, so kind of like a shape, kind of like a letter A inside. And now let's do lines that go down. Okay, 2 lines that go down. And now let's do a square. So I'm just doing horizontal lines inside. There. I want to put a couple leaves in here, just kind of like a triangle shapes. And inside we're going to put little lines. Just like that. Okay, in behind we're going to put his other shoulder, just a curved line that goes down. And here I'm doing a rectangle for his belt. Okay, so let's do 1 and 2. And now I'm going to continue here. Let's go down and down here. And now let's do U shapes to join these two together. Perfect. The feet are going to be 2 little lines, the same, kind of like the same size that we did the pilgrims ones. But the native is wearing boots. So I'm following the line, the same line that the pilgrims is standing, to do the boots. Just like this. And now let's do this arm. Let's go down with a curved line. We're going to join this. And the hand is going to be a half a circle, 2 little lines. And the last detail is going to be here on the neck. Let's do a couple zigzag lines that go down. And let's just close this. And there, that's it. We've finished. And now my favorite part. Let's color. Okay, little artists, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.